Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I'll be preparing cheese corn sandwich. For the recipe I'm going to use boiled corn, whole wheat bread, pizza sauce, mayonnaise, Italian seasoning, chili flakes and tomato ketchup. For the process I'm going to add 1 spoon of oil in a pan, and once the oil got heated, here I'm adding finely chopped garlic. And now I'm going to add sweet corn, boiled sweet corn, and I'm going to saute it for about 1 minute. After a little while, here I'm adding Italian seasoning and chili flakes. And now here I'm adding pizza sauce, around 1 spoon. And mix it all well. Now I'm adding around 1.5 spoon mayonnaise. Here I have taken 4 slices of bread, and on top of that I am going to add tomato ketchup. And now I am adding the mixture which we prepared before. And now I'm going to fry the bread from both the sides.